Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I know you guys must be wondering why my hair is such a mess. So the news is I'm getting my hair locked today. Yes, I'm getting Microlocs installed today, and this is like a really big decision I decided to take because I've been trying to grow out my natural hair for about 8 years now, or let's say 7 years thereabout, and I've never been able to get past this length. Like, this is the length. I've not been able to get past this length no matter how hard I try. And I'm not really big on, I do a lot of braids, like I make a lot of braids, and I'm just tired and just over the process, because it's basically like with every little growth I manage to retain, I eventually lose the growth, and maybe when I take out my braids and comb out my hair, like a lot of hair falls off and everything. So I'm just tired. Like, I feel like I want to prioritize hair growth now, and I want to be able to carry my hair naturally. And I've actually struggled with carrying my hair naturally because of, I had like a partial kind of alopecia, like when I was a teenager, around like probably when I was 13. So if you can see, like this part of my hair, there is no hair, and it used to even be worse, but it has grown out now. It's growing out now. I'm going to do like a zoomed in one. So even this part used to actually be like this part before, but it has actually grown. And me deciding to even get my hair locked now is because it just feels like that is the only way I can retain length. If I don't lock my hair, there's no way I can retain length. And trust me, people that will say, oh, you've not tried this hair product, I've tried a lot of hair products, and I just think basically, let's not deceive ourselves. Like, to a very large extent, hair comes from like your genes. So if you come from people that have like so much hair, definitely you are going to like have hair. But if you come from people that don't really have hair, no matter the hair treatment, no matter the food you consume, it just takes the special grace of God for that miracle to happen, and you will have like really, really nice hair growth and everything. Because I'm actually impressed with my length, honestly. Like, this is how long it is, but I just feel like it's not for me anymore. Oh, I'm done braiding, so I just want to like use this process to like grow out my hair, and hopefully all my edges covers up, because it will be probably like less pressure. And also my mom's locks actually motivated me, because she has locks installed too, and my mom is like the least hairy person I know. Like, when she started her locks journey, was basically because of this hair breakage thing. Like, her hair was breaking like constantly, there was no growth, it was discolored and everything. But now, the day I saw her locks of recent, I was literally jealous, because her hair is so long now. Like, she doesn't have hair on a normal day, so please, where is this hair coming from? You get? So I just feel like for me, it's just basically making sure I retain length by not losing my hair. And I think the easiest way for me to do that, with everything I figured out and what I've tried over time, is just get my hair locked. So I'm going to get my hair locked today. I know I've been talking too much, pardon me. I'm on my way to the salon now, so I'll carry you guys along on this journey. I don't know when you're going to see this video, but you should definitely get the video. But I don't know, maybe when my locks is like kind of advanced or something, but I'll walk you people through and give you all the details you need. Okay, bye guys.
So guys, here is my Microlocs after it has been installed. So you can see how perfect the grid lines are, and everything is just looking nice. So I counted everything, and I think I'm not so sure, I don't remember the figures anymore, but I think I have about 220 locks. Yes, if I'm not mistaken, 220 locks. Also guys, this installation literally took 12 hours to complete, so it was basically just one person that was locking my hair, so that's why it took longer. But just get ready to sit down for long when you want to get your locks installed. So guys, this was my hair 9 weeks after I got it locked. So I decided to leave it for 9 weeks, and at this point I did not wash it because yes, I didn't wash my hair for 9 weeks, whatever. But it was mainly because of the kind of hair I had, and I couldn't wash to avoid it like unraveling, so I just had to wait it out. But I was not really doing so much strenuous activity at that point, so I was not sweating as much or anything. But eventually, this is my undergrowth, the undergrowth I had for the 9 weeks duration. I didn't get my hair locked, and that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. I would definitely see you in the next one. Bye for now.